Are you zinc deficient? Find out and check yourself if you have one of the 5 warning signs for zinc deficiency. My name is Peggy Schirmer from peggyschirmer.com. Welcome to Gut Feelings, the channel to support you heal your digestion so you have all the energy to bring your gifts into the world. And today's theme is about zinc and how you can spot if you're zinc deficient. Number 1, and this is really the key indicator that most of you probably are familiar already with, that is low immunity. If you feel like you catch every bug, whenever you travel you get sick because in the airplane there's so much bacteria and viruses flying around, or in the train, or you just feel you have like a weak immune system. That's key number 1, a major indicator for zinc deficiency. Number 2, if you're suffering from allergies, and that can be environmental allergies like pollen allergy, ragweed, hay fever, but that can also be food allergies. And this is because zinc plays a major role in how your body can store histamine. Histamine is the substance that is responsible for your symptoms, for your blocked sinus, your sneezing, the inflammation happening in your body that causes you the symptoms. And zinc here plays a role in how your body can store histamine. So if you're zinc deficient, more histamine can be released into the tissue and you will likely have more allergy symptoms. Warning sign number 3, acne and skin issues. If you're struggling with a smooth skin, or you even have eczema, acne, zinc plays a major role here because it's part of every human cell in the body, also your skin cells. If you haven't watched the video about acne, where I talk about what causes acne and how you can heal it naturally, I linked that up for you up here. That might be interesting for you to look at. Big warning sign number 4 are digestive issues. Whether it's that you can't absorb the foods that you eat very well, zinc here plays a major role in how your body can absorb vitamins especially, or you have often diarrhea, you're suffering from SIBO, small intestinal bacterial overgrowth, or you've recently got a leaky gut diagnosis. Think about bringing in more zinc to help your body to stabilize your digestion. And especially interesting is that because zinc is one of the major bug killers. It kills off viruses like Epstein-Barr, but also bacteria like strep or other pathogens that you have in your system like yeast and mold that cause you digestive problems. And last warning sign for zinc deficiency number 5, and last warning sign, and this is really a big one, warning sign for zinc deficiency number 5 is related to your nervous system. Zinc plays a major role in how healthy your nerves are. So if you're somebody who already had a burnout, or you feel you're constantly stressed, you have like this kind of, you can't really relax because you feel like, even if you don't drink coffee, you have this stress in your body, in your cells, making you feel constantly nervous. Maybe you can't concentrate, you have problems remembering things, or you just feel like hyperactive all the time. And of course this can tie into sleeping problems as well. Zinc deficiency can really affect how you can think and how well you are able to relax. Okay guys, repeating, the 5 warning signs are low immunity, allergies, acne and skin problems, digestive issues, and last but not least, if you have problems with your nervous system or you feel stressed every day. So what you can do about that is you can incorporate more foods that are high in zinc, and you might consider for a while, if your zinc deficiency is very high, to incorporate a zinc supplement. There it's important that you get the right one that supports your body can absorb well and it doesn't cause any damage. I linked up these 2 videos that I recorded, the foods, which sources of zinc you can naturally eat, and which is the best supplement that I recommend for zinc, here in the end screen. Thank you for watching. I wish you a beautiful day and see you in the next video. Bye bye.